Hello, welcome to my screencast. My name is Dorna Singer, and my screencast is about Makerspaces. This week until 3:13, we focused on Makerspaces. Makerspaces, according to the Makerspace Playbook, is a learning environment rich with possibilities. Makerspaces serve as gathering points where communities of new and experienced makers connect to work on real and personally meaningful projects. It is here that anyone is allowed to use tools such as 3D printers, laser cutters, Arduinos, power tools, sewing machines, and pretty much any writing tools. It is no doubt that everyone is intrigued with Makerspaces, thus giving us a Makerspace movement. As an early childhood professional, I have heard of the Regio Emilia approach. To clarify, author Alyssa Stout of Scholastic.com says the Regio Emilia approach to early childhood education views young children as individuals who are curious about their world and have the powerful potential to learn from all that surrounds them. I was pleased to find that the Regio Emilia approach and the Maker movement are quite similar. According to authors Marina, Amanda, and Mickey of the article The Design of Early Childhood Makerspaces to Support Positive Technological Development, they state that the Regio Emilia approach and the Maker movement share a similar philosophy and provide a foundation for understanding how an early environment can be set up to improve and support an authentic teaching and learning process. So how does this look like for early learners? Makerspaces such as this photo on the left helps early learners become makers. By makers, I mean able to create what they put their minds to with the help of their peers and teachers. As claimed by the authors Burrs, Strawhacker, and Weisner, wide open areas provides opportunities to negotiate the developmentally appropriate social challenges of working on a shared task and engages children in collaboration and choices of conducts. This is how Makerspaces support the inquiry concept, as students become curious about tools around them and what they can create with them. The final product of using Makerspaces in early childhood, we can see creations like we've never seen before. Makerspaces gives early learners the opportunity to create, make, and collab with their peers. Empowering early learners at a young age will only allow them to push the future into new and exciting discoveries. In the future, every classroom and every school might become a makerspace where children are engaged in learning, in making to learn, and learning to make. And I look forward to seeing more makerspaces in early childhood environments. This has been my presentation about makerspaces, and thank you for watching.